Do you have potatoes at home? Make this super easy and delicious recipe. To begin, we'll need 3 potatoes. Let's cut them, put them in a pot, cover with hot water, add salt, and cook them. Let's cut 7 ounces of bacon, and 1 onion. Let's move the bacon to a pan and fry it. Then we'll add the onion. In another pan, let's put some olive oil and melt 1 tablespoon of butter. If you're enjoying this recipe, don't forget to like the video. That really helps our work. Let's add 2 tablespoons of flour. Now we'll add 2 cups of milk little by little and mix. Let's add pepper, oregano, and salt. We'll move the potatoes to a dish. Add the bacon and the onion. And we'll pour the sauce over it. Let's add grated mozzarella and leave it in the oven for 25 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. And our delicious recipe is ready. Don't forget to leave me a grade from 1 to 10. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you tomorrow. Bye bye!